After 50, your body can either grow weaker or stronger. The choice is yours. Too many people surrender to stiffness, fatigue, and loss of strength, thinking it's just aging. But here's the truth. With only 3 simple moves, no gym and no equipment, you can reclaim energy, rebuild muscle, and transform your body, starting today. Before starting this video, let me comment which country you are watching from. 1. Push-ups. Push-ups. At first glance, they seem simple, maybe even too basic. But don't let that fool you. This one exercise has the power to reshape your entire upper body and restore the strength you thought was slipping away with age. After 50, many men and women notice their arms getting weaker, their chest sagging, and even everyday tasks, like pushing open a heavy door, feeling harder than they used to. That slow decline doesn't just rob you of strength, it robs you of confidence. If you ignore your upper body now, muscle loss will accelerate. Weak arms and shoulders lead to poor posture, aching joints, and the constant feeling that you're too old for the life you once lived. That's not the future you deserve. With consistent push-ups, whether you start against a wall, on your knees, or on the floor, you'll build a chest that feels solid again, arms that actually look strong in a t-shirt, and shoulders that carry you with pride. Every rep you do sends a powerful message to your body. You're not done, you're not fragile, and you're capable of rebuilding real strength. Push-ups don't just work the arms and chest, they engage your core, stabilize your spine, and even strengthen your heart when done in steady sets. No equipment, no excuses, just your body against gravity, proving that age doesn't have to mean decline. Start small if you need to. Even 5 push-ups a day can spark change. Stick with it, and you'll feel the difference. Firmer muscles, better posture, more energy, and the confidence to face life head-on. This one move is your key to turning back the clock on upper body strength. 2. Squats. Squats. The king of movements, yet the one most people over 50 avoid. Why? Because it feels tough, it burns, and it reminds you of how much strength you may have lost. But here's the truth. Squats are not just an exercise, they're a lifeline. They're the movement that keeps you standing tall, walking with confidence, and living life without fear of weakness. Here's the warning. If you neglect your legs now, everything else suffers. Weak legs mean weak balance. They mean struggling to get up from a chair, climbing stairs with pain, or fearing a fall every time you move faster than usual. And falls. They're the number one reason older adults lose independence. You don't want that future. Now, here's the promise. Squats will transform your lower body in ways you didn't think possible after 50. They strengthen your thighs, glutes, and hips, the very muscles that give you power in every step. They build stability in your knees, protect your joints, and improve circulation. And as a bonus, squats burn calories, fire up your metabolism, and keep stubborn belly fat from taking control. Every time you squat, you're not just training your legs, you're sending your body a message of resilience. You're telling your muscles, bones, and joints, we're staying strong. We're not giving in. Start with a chair squat if you need support, lower slowly, rise with control, and feel your strength grow day by day. Squats are your promise of independence. Do them consistently and you'll notice your legs powering through stairs, your core holding you upright, and your energy returning in full force. Age might be a number, but strength is a choice, and squats are where that choice begins. 3. Planks. Planks. At first, it looks too simple, just holding your body still. But don't underestimate this move. The plank is a silent powerhouse, training the very foundation of your body, your core. And after 50, nothing is more important than core strength. Your core is what keeps you standing upright, protects your spine, and gives you the balance to move with confidence. Here's the warning: ignore your core and your body pays the price. Weak abdominals and lower back muscles lead to poor posture, constant back pain, and a fragile midsection that makes you feel unstable with every step. And when balance is lost, so is independence. This is the reality many face as they age, but it doesn't have to be yours. Now, here's the promise. The plank rebuilds your foundation from the inside out. It doesn't just work your abs, it strengthens your shoulders, glutes, and back, all at once. Hold a plank daily, and you'll notice your posture improving, your belly tightening, and your body moving with more stability. Even tasks like bending, lifting, or simply walking feel easier because your core is holding everything together. Start where you are. Maybe that's a plank on your knees or a short 10-second hold. That's perfectly fine. Each day you add a little more time, you'll feel your strength grow. With consistency, 30 seconds turns into a minute, and suddenly you're standing taller, breathing deeper, and feeling stronger than you have in years. Planks aren't about looking young, they're about living strong. Do them daily, and you'll discover the strength, balance, and energy you thought age had taken away. This is your promise. The plank will give your body the foundation to thrive, no matter your age. Here's the truth. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need to crush yourself in the gym or chase painful workouts. Just focus on doing these 3 moves, squats, push-ups, and planks, regularly. Start slow, listen to your body, and progress step by step. Stay patient. Transformation takes time, but it will come. Breathe deeply during each exercise, keep your movements controlled, and focus on form over speed. Combine these exercises with proper hydration, quality sleep, and balanced nutrition to unlock even greater results. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Age is not your limit, it's your advantage. You have wisdom, discipline, and experience on your side. Stay consistent, and your body will reward you with strength, confidence, and energy. By the way, friends, see you soon for more interesting facts about human health